Alright, so Hamersley Gorge is the next stop. If it's anything like yesterday, can't wait. And Wayne's brother is joining us as well, behind me in the Jeep. Arrived at Hamersley Gorge. This is busy. Okay, Hamersley Gorge.
Remember class 5 yesterday?
Alright, Hamersley Gorge. First entry into Hamersley Gorge, right? Okay, go! Okay, Wayne. Nice one, Thomas. Where the feet are wet. They're in front of you. Okay, go. Come. This cool. Yeah. So we'll be jumping into the circular bath pool. Sorry, one more. Debbie's gracing us, first time. There we go. Yep. Alright, we're on our way to the Python pool. Approaching the Python pool. And yo. Wow.
No jumping?
Oh, no jumping. Wow.
I've seen YouTube of them jumping from that.
From there?
Yeah.
Is it that deep?
No.
So Python pool, no flowing water, but there in the top there's another pool there.
Oh, you got your shark tooth?
So I just want to see how Craig and his caravan comes down here, if all stays intact. Good. Oh no, no, this is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. Oh. So what is this place called?
Panorama Lookout.
Panorama Lookout. It's spectacular. So we arrived at Millstream, Chichester National Park. We're going to stay for one evening. Alright, so the Gerald needs a drink.
The car needs to.
I got it.
Almost ran out.
325 k's.
It was going crazy.
325 kilometers on a full tank with this caravan. And without the caravan?
I'd probably get 550.
550. Almost half. Here's our camp spot for the night. Number 14. And there's Craig. He's on number... He's going to be our neighbour. Number 13. The first time we'll be setting up the caravan in a proper camp spot. We've been free camping the whole time. Although we've paid. We chose not to use it. So they've got neighbours. There's a camp host. There is Matt and Wayne on the other side. And now we're going to go to some pool that's close by. So, Millstream, Chichester, and this is the Fortescue River. We'll be swimming here, cooling off. Hit the water, it's hot, oh my goodness, it's hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Live up there? Yeah.
Catfish, where? Woo! Look at that!
Yeah, we stopped a few times on the way up. We stayed up at yeah, it's worked out really well.
We just face is going. There we go.
Is there any fishes up on your finger?
There we go.
Crocodiles, piranhas, you name it, sharks, hippos. Okay, so at the Millstream homestead. So this is Millstream. Do you stay here, sir? Do you stay here? Do you live here? Is this your house? Who gave you authorization to be in here? I will be calling the rangers on you. Sorry. Here's the old shearing sheds. And again, I've got this illegal alien here.
What did he call me?
Illegal alien.
Wait, boys, we're not aliens.
Okay, so we're cutting our stay short at Millstream. The Panamonica road is closed, so that means we have to go around Karratha to Exmouth, which is another 250 kilometer round trip. Right, headed to Karratha. We're gonna have some fish and chips here, and then look for a free camp a few hundred kilometers from here. Quite hungry. Warheads. Thomas.
Yeah.
Warhead.
So how many
Kaiden.
do we
Just
do?
one, and you cannot pull a face.
You cannot pull a face.
You're not allowed to pull a face.
What happens if you do?
If you do, there's extreme pain coming your way.
It's gonna come anyway.
Exactly.
How do you open this thing? Yeah, I can't open it.
Right, let's do it together. Oh no, you go first and then we look at Kaiden.
Nah, together.
No, I want to watch your face. I just see if your mouth can
Yeah.
pull a
Oh,
face.
I've done these ones before. Jeez, hell no.
Just suck it. Suck it.
Suck it.
No, just nothing. Suck it a bit. Don't just put it there.
Yeah.
Suck on it. Say yum yum. Say yum yum. You taste like bubble gum.
It's not sour.
Oh really? Why are you putting your lips like that then?
Because it's not sour.
All right. Oh, so Matt had some company last night.
Thomas. Frogs.
You swag.
They're the. I've got their tracks all over my car.
Oh, they're so cute.
Get off my swag.
I like them.